As 30th June rapidly approaches, here's your friendly compliance reminder for SMSFs. It's asset valuation time. Every SMSF must prepare full financial statements as at 30 June, and that means valuing all assets at market value. There's no such thing as the 3-year rule for property valuations. The ATO expects annual updates, no shortcuts. Your valuations must be evidence-based, up-to-date, independently verified where possible. For property, gather comparable sales, independent agent appraisals, details of improvements, rental yield. For unlisted shares or trust units, you'll need underlying asset values, valuation methodology, details of arm's-length transactions. And don't forget, even minor assets must be properly valued. Why? Because valuations impact transfer balance cap, total super balance, pension calculations, contribution limits. So what should you do now? Start collecting evidence. Talk to your accountant or auditor. Use valuation tools like TrustDeed. And remember, other dates like pension commencements may need point-in-time valuations too. Compliance starts with a solid valuation. TrustDeed can help with both residential and commercial property valuations. Make 30th June stress-free. Start now. Contact us today on 02-968-44199.